class. Today we are going to learn how to do a decision matrix. Now, a decision matrix is a tool used to help compare objects, products, or solutions in a way that gives you a definite answer based on what you want. Okay, so the list is here of all the things you need to do. First, you need to choose items to compare. Now, I'm going to use my example of cars, and I've chosen the Toyota Prius, the Scion XB, and the Tesla Model S. The next step is to choose criteria that matter to you. Now, for me, I care about, in my chart, I'm going to put the criteria, or things that matter, my requirements, up here. I care about cost, aesthetics, or appearance, cargo, which is storage, and speed. Next thing that you need to do is research each criteria for the product or solution. Now, this does not have to be done on a chart, but I did it so you could see where all my information lines up. Here, the costs of the cars are $30,000, $20,000, and $70,000. The aesthetics, for me, not for everyone, I think that the Prius looks too bubbly and cute, Scion looks decent, Tesla looks awesome, and so on and so forth. Next step there is to rate each product or solution based on the criteria and the research that you found. So, if I look, here are some of, let's start with just cost. $30,000, $20,000, $70,000. Now my rating scale is 1 to 4, with 4 being the best and 1 being the worst. Your scale does not need to be 1 to 4. You make this up however you want. It could be 0 to 100 or 10 to 20, whatever makes it easy for you. So with cost, here I've got 30, 20, 70. 20,000 is the cheapest, so I'm going to give that the highest score. 30,000 is a bit pricey, so I gave it a lower score, but it's not that much more pricey. The Tesla is much more expensive, so I gave it a 1, the worst grade that I could give it. For aesthetics, I thought it was too cutesy, and I wouldn't drive that car, so I gave it a 1. The Scion XB, I think it looks decent, so I gave it a 3. And the Tesla looks awesome, as you all know, so I gave it a 4, because it's as great as could possibly be for this category. I continue on with the next two categories: decent, great, not a lot. Decent, great, not a lot. Slow, peppy, fast. Slow, peppy, fast. By peppy, I mean it accelerates pretty quickly. Now, at this stage, since we've given our rankings, we add the numbers from each row, and we do that in the final column. So, 3 and 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7, plus 1 is 8. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 4 is 11, plus 3 is 14. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 2 is 7, plus 4 is 12. Last thing we need to do is to choose a winner based on our total score. So I go back to my chart, it's all filled in, and I notice that the Scion XB has won because it best fit my criteria. That's how you do a decision matrix, and now it's time to do your own.